Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. We're going to do mussels today. Now there's many ways to cook mussels. It's kind of like chicken, you can put all different types of seasoning on it. I really like when I go to a Italian restaurant and they have kind of a tomato sauce on it. So they're really cheap in the store actually. We'll open these up. I know you can't see in the side of the bag all that great. But for all that, that's about a normal portion you'd get at a restaurant. That was only $2.63. So I know I've paid probably $10 for about this amount at a restaurant for like an appetizer or a meal. So these are farm-raised mussels. If they're ocean mussels, they could have more stuff on them, but since these are farm-raised, they should be pretty clean. You want to make sure that there's really nothing on them. If they got barnacles on them or they got the little connecting part they have that they grab on and move around with, you want to pull those off, but these are pretty much all good. You also want to make sure that none of them are open. So these look like they're all closed. If they're slightly open, you can squeeze them or kind of tap them on the counter and see if they close themselves so you know they're still alive. And if they don't react at all, you want to just toss them out. So all these look good. I think I saw one that's kind of partially open. I'm squeezing them, but doesn't seem to really be reacting. There's no smell, so it hasn't gone rancid or anything, but this one, since he's not reacting, I'll just throw him out. If you squeeze them, they should slowly tighten down. They're not going to snap closed. So, as I said, I like the Italian style kind of usually, and we're going to make a simple one at home that probably everyone has these ingredients in their home. So I'm just going to use a small pot here. You can use as big or small of a pot as you need for what you have. And we're going to go with some diced tomatoes. I'm going to open these and just drain them a little bit. Well, I don't need to drain these. Looks like they're not too liquidy. And then to make it the Italian flavor, we're going to add some pizza sauce. Some garlic. I have still fresh minced garlic in a can or whatever you call this, glass jar. But you can use dried garlic as well. Add some pizza seasoning or Italian seasoning. And then just a little bit of olive oil. And I like to add some butter. Not too much, just like a tablespoon of butter. Now we're going to get this heated up, because this is what we're going to cook them in and flavor them in. So now we're just going to go ahead and wait until this starts to simmer. Now that we're simmering good, I made sure it's nice and hot. Now I got a small pot here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to add every single one of these, but all we're going to do is take them and put them in there. Might be able to get most of them. Amazingly, we got them all in there, I think. So now I'm going to go ahead and cover these. I'm going to turn my heat back up just a little bit because now I just put some slightly colder stuff in there. They were in cold water. Make sure we got a simmer going. And now these should only take anywhere from 3 to 7 minutes to cook. 5 minutes is a good middle ground. But it's kind of like popcorn. When they're done cooking, they're going to open up. And they're going to all start opening, and then a couple might not open. You never know. They all should open, but if one or two doesn't, don't just keep cooking and waiting for it, because if they don't open, you just consider them bad and toss them out. So just kind of like if you're popping popcorn, wait till they start opening, and then as they slow down, watch them good. It's been just 2 minutes, but I can see through the lid. Some of them are starting to open. Again, this is a small pot. I just wanted to give them kind of a little stir, but you can see they're pretty much all open already. I'm going to give them just about 1 more minute, since they've only been in there like 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes so far. Just going to give them about 1 more minute and they'll be done. Been just about 3 minutes now. We'll take them off, take them out. This bowl here. There we go, our final product. All of them open, looks great. We'll give it a try. Happy cooking. Any questions? We'll see y'all later. It was good. It's really good. Making a mess. This one doesn't want to come out easy. It's like a $4 with all the ingredients and came out great. Give them a try and we'll see you all later.